Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Rocky Top Splash. My name is Craig Daniels. And if you're new to this channel, well, this channel is building around helping you become a better fisherman through easy to understand, easy to follow tips and tricks videos just like this one. Right now we're kind of in a funk. The truck's transmission is acting up and we're having some issues with the surge brake on the boat trailer, but we're going to be back there on the water very soon, so you may have a couple videos like this one where we're just hanging out in the carport area. Now we've got a lot of big things going on with the channel right now. Working on the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so go ahead and watch that video right there. Learn how to get involved with the Lose Reels giveaway. We're also working with the company B&R Graphics. I'm going to be giving away one of those custom reels that Brian Chapman out of North Carolina has worked on. There'll be more videos about that coming shortly. August the 18th of this year, out of the Dayton Boat Dock, we're going to have the Cast for Kids Foundation event that they put on annually. If you guys know of any special needs children, this is a fantastic foundation that allows these kids to go out and have a day full of fishing, and then I'll leave all the links that you need to follow in the video description. Now, August the 26th of this year, me and Gary are getting involved in the annual Snag Proof Open, a frog tournament that's held every year on Lake Guntersville. We're actually in the process of right now of filming and documenting how to prepare for a tournament on a new body of water, document how we are dissecting a new body of water, where we're going to be looking for fish, all that kind of stuff. Also show you guys how we did in that tournament. That video will be posted really close to the tournament date of August the 26th, and there'll also be a video after the August 26th tournament, taking you guys along with us actually on the tournament day. Now today's video, if you guys are like us, you're out here a lot throwing these topwater frogs around. These things go through a beating. They are abused. Sometimes they get ripped, sometimes they sink, they tear. A lot of times that these legs just get frayed and need to be replaced. A lot of you guys don't realize that. You don't have to replace the whole frog. You can actually replace these legs. And I'm going to show you how to do that really easy, very inexpensive, and me and Gary also use this method as a way to customize our frogs. So let's go ahead and set this camera up at a better angle, and we'll show you guys how to do that very easily. Now what I've done on these frogs, guys, is I've just taken and pulled that skirt out, and on your frog, if your frog has a solid tube in the middle here, or it's solid right here, this is not going to work. But I don't know of any brands right offhand that has a solid piece. I've done this on Booyahs, on Spros, on Lunkerhunts, Academy brand, XPS. A lot of different frogs have the same type of setup right here. Now on the skirt, I've split the skirt in half because different size skirting materials, whether it's a 40 strand or a 60 strand, is not going to fit in there. So I've split that off into about, it looks like about 10 strands, 10 or 12 strands. I tied a knot, a fishing line around the end right here. 3 or 4 overhand knots, get a good tight knot on the end of that. Now this is the tedious part. You got to take this line through the end of this hole. This could take a few minutes, but just push down on one side and try to line this hole up in a straight line. So the easiest way I found, guys, was to actually squeeze the holes together and try to line the holes up, and then push the line straight down through that hole, just like that. Once you have the line lined up there, now you're going to slowly put pressure on and pull that skirt through that hole. Wrap your braid around your hand. You might want to get a glove or something if you don't want to get cut. And then you just pull it through there, just like that. Real slowly. Pull your line out and pull that skirt just like this. Straighten it up. Pull your line off. So they sell a lot of different colors of skirt material here. I'll leave you a lot of different links for different brands you might want to try. This is just the cheap Bass Pro version. Really like those chartreuse tails on there. Really inexpensive. They come in packs of 5, but once you split them, you're actually getting 10. So you can replace these skirts 10 times on one frog. Again, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, fish simple and simply catch fish.